In this numerical problem, a spaceship is launched from Earth with the velocity of light. Right. So a spacecraft is launched from the Earth with a velocity of light. So there is, you can see a person on the surface of Earth, and this is our spacecraft which is launched basically from the surface of the Earth. Right. The spaceship then launch a small rocket in the forward direction with the speed of light relative to the ship. Then what happens? What they are saying, that first thing is there is a person on the surface of the Earth and a rocket basically that is launched from the surface of the Earth with the speed of light. This rocket, a spaceship, again fire a rocket again, right. So this fire a rocket with the speed of light. So this speed of this rocket is relative to this one, and further speed of this spacecraft, that is speed of light, is relative to this one. So now I am making this spacecraft as a frame of reference S prime, right, and this is this rocket which is fired from this spacecraft into the forward direction, that is also C. So that will be ux prime with respect to this one. V ux prime is given. One have to find out the ux with respect to this observer for this rocket. This is the idea of this particular question. So I am reading again that a spaceship is launched from Earth with the velocity of light. The spaceship then launches a small rocket in the forward direction with the speed of light relative to the ship. Find the velocity of the rocket as measured by an observer on the Earth. Right. This is the person on the surface of the Earth, observer, who have to measure the speed of rocket. This is the spacecraft which is launched into the space with the relative speed v with respect to the Earth. Further, it launch a rocket in forward direction with the speed of v relative to this one. So one have to find out this speed of this rocket with respect to this observer on the Earth. So what is given? Given ux prime, that is equal to c. Ux prime is what? That is the speed of the rocket in the forward direction, and the spaceship then launching a small rocket in the forward direction with the speed of light, and from the first statement, launch from Earth with the velocity of light. So v is equal to c also. What we have to find out? We have to find out the ux. So ux is equal to ux prime plus v upon 1 plus ux prime v upon c square. And you have seen here that ux prime and v both are c. So when you will simplify it, u c plus c 2c, and here this is c square cancel out, that is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this 2c upon 2, that becomes equal to c. So the speed of a rocket with respect to the person who is standing on the surface of Earth obviously will be c. Right. So you can see here with this particular example that this is person on surface of the Earth. Here this is spacecraft which is launched into the space with respect to this one with the speed of light, and the further this spacecraft fire a rocket again with the speed of light with respect to this spacecraft. One have to find out the speed of this spacecraft with respect to the stationary observer, and that is c. So it basically again prove the postulate of special theory of relativity, that light speed of light remain constant in all the frame of references.